Greetings everyone, in today's video I will show you how to make Instagram account private from business. Before you get started, please subscribe to our channel. So first of all, open up Instagram app, then go to your profile. You may notice the profile dashboard here on my profile, which means that my account is currently business account. And now let me show you how we can easily switch it back to private. All you have to do is just stop right here at 3 lines and then top at settings and privacy. And first stop, we need to switch our account to personal. To do that, tap at creator, tools and controls. Switch account type, switch to personal account. After a couple of seconds, your account will be switched to personal. However, the account is still public. To make it private, scroll down top and account privacy. And that's where you can make your account private. So by this way you can make a Instagram account private from business. This is the video for today. Thanks for watching this.